welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going on a little bit of a field trip to a farm. Ava, are you excited to go to the farm today?
Yeah.
So on Ava's little preschool form, she put that she wants to be a farmer when she grows up. So her papa Greg actually happens to be working on a farm. He's combining, so we thought that we would take Ava for a little adventure. So stay tuned to the video because I'm sure we will get up to tons of fun. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about mummy, lifestyle, and keeping that little munchkin of mine entertained. So make sure you click that like and subscribe button down below and also hit that bell for notifications. You excited?
Yeah. Are you gonna see a big tractor? Yeah. It makes a loud noise.
Look at how big those tires are! Hi! Woohoo! And this is Ava's Mimi. Hi! Here she comes!
What is she looking at?
Oh my gosh! So this is canola. And look how thick these stalks are. Oh, this is so interesting. But look at little Miss Muppet. So her farmer dreams are coming true. I love seeing her right now. She's so excited. Day do you do this?
Yesterday was 13.
Yay!
This is all automatic. So if I want to go faster, I just push this ahead and then touch that button and then it sticks.
Really?
if we had this hooked up to GPS, which I could do,
Yeah.
then all I do is sit here and push the buttons.
Seriously?
I don't, yeah.
Look at that.
So you hit this button twice.
Yeah.
Check it.
Oh, and then it picks up.
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you learn? Like, your dad taught you everything?
My dad took me out to the field when I was 11 years old, and he went through and told me what everything was for on the combine. And that's where I started.
Really? I see. Isn't that amazing, Ava?
50 years ago this fall.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Look at this.
Ready?
Wow.
What?
Behind your mate.
There's nope.
Look at all the seeds, Ava. Oh my gosh, look at all of them. Cool. This is the best trip I've ever been on.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you so much, Greg. Wow. Ava, look at all those seeds. Wow. So what time? So we are headed home now. We had a great afternoon on the farm combining. It was canola, so thank you to JVS Farms. They were so kind to let us go there. And to Mimi and Papa Greg, we had such a great time. Ava, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, now we're gonna head home, but I think we may stop for a treat. So we are at the world famous Peter's Drive-In. There's one in Calgary and there's one in Red Deer. So we're stopping to get some milkshakes and some tasty treats. I can't wait. All right, so I got a chocolate milkshake, and then we got some French fries. Here's my masks. French fries and onion rings and burgers and hot dogs. What do you have?
My drink.
Do you have a strawberry milkshake? Lucky duck. All right, let's head home. had such a great time at the farm, and it's the first day of fall, so what a perfect way to see the fall harvest. Ava had such a great time. I think she realized a childhood dream because she keeps saying she wants to be a farmer. So what better way than going combining with her Papa Greg. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope that you had fun coming along on this little field trip with us, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah! See you guys later. Ava, say bye-bye.